underestimate you.
He's really strong.
That he's confident about himself.
I'm with you!
I'll show you that you can't destroy my impenetrable iron wall.
Shadow Clone Jutsu!
Fire style, fireball jutsu!
They'd better.
What is that?
I already told you, my iron wall's impenetrable.
I wasn't expecting this.
Shinki's favorite jutsu, the Black Iron Fist. It can be used to both attack and defend.
What the?
Now, Black Iron Fist, eject!
Sarada! Is she okay? Of course she is.
That stringy stuff that's connected to them. Damn it. What is that?
An electromagnetic field. A superficial lightning style wouldn't even make him blink.
Alright, then how about